think of supporting colours as extra colours that you can play with. So let me just show you what I mean by this. Well, here I've got my main colours, the neutral, my main, and accent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But if I look at accent 5 here, I might not like that. It's a bit muted, so I might want to change it to a different colour. Okay, so what I'll do here is go and add an extra colour to my palette. So I'm treating this like a playground. So what I'll do here is go and choose something. And now I know I've got a raspberry in my brand guidelines, which is somewhere around here, but I've just copied the exact hex code. So let me paste it in, pretty close. So this is a raspberry that I'll be using throughout the course of the 5-day challenge. Now, notably, even though the bot just populated these colours for us because that was what was there, it didn't try to add extra than the main 2 and our 6 accents. So if we notice here, we've still got our accent 5. So a supporting colour has added extra colours to that. But notably, if I want to go and use that raspberry now, it's here in the swatches. So that's cool. So now what I'm going to do is jump over into the editor and show you the swatches that we've created, and now they're ready for our content team. So I'll hit save and jump over into the editor. I'll open the drawer and you can see our raspberry colour is in there. But because I kept accent 5, I kept the accent 5, which was this colour here, it's also added this extra. So it will keep your main accents, but you can add extra supporting colours. Now that palette is updated everywhere now, right the way across the website. These aren't just the colour palettes here, we've got colour palettes all the way through the platform, including things like normal text, as you can see, and also buttons and forms everywhere. So with this particular palette here now, you can see the advantage. What we don't want content users to be doing is choosing their own colours. They might choose a colour that's close. The hex code is different, but it looks close. Okay, well that's not good, because what we want to do is to ensure that we work with the exact colours to keep the brand consistent. And this has also got the benefit of when we go and change things in the future. So I might decide that I don't like my accent 1 anymore because with white on top it's causing too many complications due to legibility. I might say it's a new campaign and we want to change the new raspberry colour. Well, when we update it in the colours area, it updates the swatches right the way around the site, but it also updates every instant of that colour. That's every time it's used on every single page. It will update it everywhere. So think about that. We can redo campaigns, and we can even redo the entire website redesign just with a few clicks. So you'll also see this philosophy next when we move on to fonts, because we do give you a palette of fonts that works in the same way. When we update one font, it will go and update that across the entire website. So you can see how this is working. The bots are helping us get there quickly, but then we're also thinking about the future. New content editors coming in, always staying on brand, and then lining ourselves up so we can do redesigns quickly without ever having to go through this process again.